Standard 5th subject English 1. Chapter 4 In Rhino's Land. राइनो के लैंड का हमने जो चैप्टर रीड किया था स्टूडेंट, राइनोसर्स. हार्ड वर्ड्स: काजीरंगा, हिमालयास, पाउचर्स, राइनोसर्स, मार्शलैंड, ब्रह्मपुत्र, परस्यूट, हेरिटेज, टूरिस्ट, fascinating. Meanings: poachers, people who catch or kill animals illegally. Elephant grass, a type of tall grass. Marshland, an area of soft wetland. Fascinating, flora and fauna, interesting plants and animal species. Wild, with wild abandon, without caring about anything. Gir National Park, Gujarat, lion. Periyar National Park, Kerala. Simlipal National Park, Odisha. Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, Rajasthan. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Student, we have to write the names of animal here. Okay, कौन सा वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल यहाँ पे सस्टेन कर रहा है? सी, फर्स्ट का तो लायन था, सेकेंड एलिफेंट, क्रोकोडाइल, लेपर्ड, टाइगर, राइनोसर. Talk about it. The teacher will read out section 1. How do you think the race section or chapparis constructed by the Indian Army would save the lives of rhinoceros? A. If it rains heavily and Kaziranga gets flooded, the rhinos can take shelter in the chapparis and race section and remain safe. B. Read section 2 in part and answer this question. First one. How does Adil describe the greater one-horned rhinoceros? First one. Adil said that the famous greater one-horned rhinoceros was an ancient-looking majestic creature weighing more than 600 kg and was taller than his father. It had thick brown folded skin and a horn. What was Mary Carson's role in saving the rhinoceros population of Kaziranga? Mary Carson persuaded her husband George Curzon to ensure that the wildlife is protected and preserved. In this way, she was instrumental in saving the rhino population at Kaziranga from being extinct. C. Who spoke these sentences, Rhino or Adil? Write the name of the speaker. Student, ये 10 questions दिए हैं. We have to write the name. Who said to whom? Okay. The Brahmaputra water is cool and comfortable on a hot day. The greater one-horned rhinoceros is listed as a vulnerable species because of extinction, hunting and poaching. River is lovely to wade in, but it also reminds me of the endless rain and the floods of last year. They enter the river nearby and begin swimming with and while abandoned. We live in the grassland at the foothills of the Himalaya. Jhumki told me yesterday that the Indian Army has now constructed race section or chapparis for us. It seems strange to be back now in the concrete jungle after taking in all the sights and sounds of wildlife. So many forests are being cut down everywhere, and that I am glad that she has a safe home here. Over the years, I have wandered around Kaziranga and have seen that the park is weird, varied and large. They are excellent swimmer and can run very fast. Now let's see the answer. See, rhino, 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 Adil, rhino, Adil, Adil, rhino, rhino, Adil. What do the phrases in grey means? Tick the correct answer. This is MCQs, okay? The first trickle of tourists means tourists that visit the park in the beginning of January. The first tourist of season. Tourist who has visited the park which it was first opened. The tour guide is a person who seeks guidance on how to visit a place, tells you about his adventures, takes you around a place and tells you about it. A prehistorical era movie is a film about a time when there was no recorded history that tells us about ancient history that was made a very long time ago. The park is varied and large means that the park is large but does not have variety. Large and has a huge variety. Not very large but has variety. One thing led to another means one incident brought about the another incident. Something provided clues to something else. An event occurred that was not planned earlier. Concrete jungle means a city full of buildings. Concrete buildings in the middle of the jungle. A jungle in the middle of a concrete buildings. See, here is the answer. Option का section दिया हुआ है B, C, A. B, A, A. Answer this question. Why were the rhinoceros not safe a few years ago? How has the situation changed now? Until a few years ago, greedy hunters and poachers hunted down the rhinoceros for their unique horns. Now there are strict laws and safety measures in place to protect the rhinos, and this has made a big difference. The rhinos population in Kaziranga has increased. Second, what do the rhinoceros talk about when they meet each other? See, what do the rhinoceros talk about? The rhinoceros sometimes exchange notes and discuss how revealed they are not have to worry about hunters and poachers. They also talk about what's going on in the park, including what the Indian Army is doing for them. Third, what do Raina and her mother usually do on a hot afternoon? Which safe spot does Raina's mother take her to? Third,